Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter Indigo. So this chapter is about the plight, problems and pains, sufferings of Indian farmers. They were indigo farmers and they belonged from Champaran, and Gandhi ji had helped him. So here I am keeping discussion of questions, answers, important questions and answers. First question is here: how was Gandhi ji able to influence the lawyers at Champaran? So Gandhi ji chided means scolded the lawyers for overcharging the poor peasants. So when the peasants were because the peasants were so poor and they were cursed and it was inhuman to charge fee like this. So he chided, he scolded those lawyers, and then Gandhiji's selfless act and devotion to the cause of peasants put the lawyers to shame. They felt how shameful act they were doing. Second question is here: how did Gandhiji help the peasants of Champaran? So at Champaran, the British landlords forced all the tents to plant, all the peasants to plant 15% their holding with indigo, and then surrender the entire harvest. It was the condition as rent. So this increased the misery of the poor farmers because they were tenants only, poor tenants. But when indigo started planting in foreign countries, then synthetic indigo was there developed. Then they stopped to grow this. और जब वहाँ पे सिंथेटिक इंडिगो शुरू हो गई तो उन्होंने इंडिगो प्लांटेशन अपने देश में बंद करवा दिया. was no longer. Then new fresh agreement was made, and then from sharecroppers, मतलब from Indian farmers, to pay them, and this made all the farmers they were to suffer. So here Gandhi ji came in at this time, and through non-violent civil disobedience he forced the landlords to refund 25%, and this was the triumph. This was the win over the problem. That was their win over the misery. Then compensation, that was there, and then he made this, means to return 25% of money of the farmers from the British landlords. Now third question: why did the servants think Gandhiji to be another peasant? So Gandhiji was there with Rajkumar Shukla, and he was there with Rajkumar Shukla to Rajendra Prasad's house. And यहाँ पर उनको इसलिए पुअर पेजेंट मान लिया क्योंकि राजेंद्र प्रसाद के साथ जो लोग जाते थे they were always poor peasants, and Gandhiji was so simple, wearing dhoti only, so they thought that Gandhiji was also a poor farmer. Since a simple clad Gandhiji accompanied Shukla, the servant mistook him to be another peasant. So he was so simple, Gandhiji was so simple, wearing dhoti, so they thought that he was another peasant. Next question is there: why did Gandhiji agree to the planters' offer of returning 25 refund to the farmers? Answer is there: Gandhiji had asked the indigo planters for a 50% refund. First he demanded 50%, But when Gandhiji was offered only 25%, then he agreed, because Gandhiji still agreed to their offer, because for him the amount of the refund was not important, but it was important that they had made the British to surrender, surrender past of their rights. So he wanted to make them what was illegal, and there was right also, means farmers had also rights to get that. So he wanted to make them to accept that yes, they had also rights, means farmers also have rights. So this was the first triumph, this was the first win. Now so he agreed to their settlement. This is here. वो चाहते थे कि किसी भी तरह से ब्रिटिश के सामने ये एग्रीमेंट हो जाए 25 refund, so that they could understand that they were illegal and it was their right. Thank you and Jai Hind.